Okay, look, we need to talk about the database administrator, because everything you think you know about this job is probably dead wrong, and it might just be killing your career.
So let's just get this out of the way. The old guard, they're gone. The whole era of the all-powerful, untouchable DBA is over. It's finished.
You have to remember, back in the 90s, the DBA was basically a god, the high priest of the company, the gatekeeper who held the keys to literally everything that mattered, all the data.
And this was the whole deal, right? If you could wrangle an Oracle database, you had a job for life. You were the only one who could make it work, and you were paid an absolute fortune for that magic trick.
And then the cloud happened. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, they all rolled in with these databases as a service. And all of a sudden, managers thought, great, we can just click a button, we don't need a DBA anymore.
Well, they were dead wrong.
The DBA role didn't die. Oh no, it mutated into something completely different. And if you don't get that, you're already on your way to becoming a fossil.
Which brings us to the big choice, the fork in the road for your entire career. And trust me, it's a stark one.
So what are you going to be, the mechanic or the architect? The mechanic is busy installing patches and babysitting servers. And let's be honest, automation is eating that job for breakfast. But the architect is designing the schemas, stopping financial bleeding, and they are more valuable than they have ever been.
Just think about how the stakes have changed. Back in the day, a bad query was an annoyance, right? The server got a little sluggish, people complained, you went and fixed it, no big deal.
But today, in the cloud, that exact same bad query isn't an annoyance anymore. It's a catastrophic financial leak. It's a money furnace that just keeps burning month after month.
And that is the new reality. Companies aren't paying you to keep the lights on. They're paying you to find these money pits and shut them down. Your value is now measured in dollars saved, period.
So if it's all about the money, you better know where to find it. Let's take a look at the landscape right now.
You're looking at what they call a K-shaped recovery. You see this? If you're stuck doing that old legacy maintenance, being the mechanic, your salary has totally flatlined. But if you pivot to being a database reliability engineer, the architect, you're looking at salaries well past $200,000. It's two different worlds.
So where are these jobs? Okay, quick rundown. Finance is still king. They'll pay anything for microsecond speed. Healthcare? That's your most stable bet, with all the genomics and record stuff exploding. But the real wild card, the game changer, it's AI.
And why AI? Because AI is nothing without data. And it's creating this insane gold rush for anyone who understands vector databases. You know, the kind of database that can handle the crazy complex data AI models need. If you can manage that pipeline, you can basically name your price.
So that brings us to the big question, doesn't it? How do you actually get that key? How do you make that jump from the mechanic's stagnant salary to the architect's high-value career?
Okay, so what is the actual secret? I'll tell you what it's not. It's not about learning some hot new tool or getting another certification. It's actually way simpler and a lot more fundamental than that.
Here it is. The whole thing comes down to a shift in your mindset. The old way was to guard the data, to be the grumpy gatekeeper saying no to everyone. The new way, your job is to help developers use the data. You have to be an enabler, not a blocker.
And this is absolutely crucial. Stop obsessing over becoming an Oracle guy or a Postgres expert. Who cares? Those tools come and go. The timeless skill, the thing that makes you valuable forever, is a deep, fundamental understanding of data integrity. That never goes out of style. So the DBA job isn't dead. It's just evolved. And for the people who evolve with it, it's more lucrative than ever. The old high priest is gone. The new role is the engineer who architects the pipelines for this new oil. The only real question is, which one are you going to be?